So this is the Tread Lightly booth. We put our booths up at events all across the country to educate people about being responsible in the outdoors. So we want people to be in the outdoors doing the things that they love, but we need them to do it in a responsible, sustainable way so we can maintain access. So people can learn about being responsible in the outdoors and learn a little bit about the trails that are available to them. So we provide materials like this. This is our UTV card, and it gives the tread principles, which give basics about how you can be responsible when you're doing certain activities.
So the tread principles are, it's an acronym, so it's T, travel responsibly, R, respect the rights of others, E, educate yourself, A, avoid sensitive areas, and D, do your part.
And those are 5 great tips that if you can keep in the back of your mind, if you can't remember them, we do have hang tags and you can keep them in your back pocket as well that list what you need to do.
And we think that if you follow those tread principles, no matter what kind of activity you're doing, you'll always leave a good impression. You'll always be able to say that you were helping to conserve the places that we love to visit in the outdoors.